in the previous video or previous lecture, we have just seen up to the example number 9, and now we will move forward. So, our new topic is comparison of rational number. How we will compare two rational number? So, first of all, in form of equation, I say that then if a rational number a upon b and c upon d is given, c upon d is given, then how can we know that from this two, this one is greater and this one is smaller? Okay, students, so we have to multiply cross, so that is AD is equal to CB, not is equal to. If you multiply this both and this both, from that which one is greater, then you have to put a sign. If AD is greater, then you have to put this sign. If CD is greater, then you have to put this sign. Okay, students, let us take an example, that is example number 11. Example number 11. Compare we have remaining with example number 10. Okay, in that is minus 2 by 3 and minus 18 by 12. So, are they equivalent or not? Let us check it. So, here, this is the lowest form of the rational number, and let us check the lowest form of this. So, we know that they have said that take HCF and just divide with that. So, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. For 12, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. So, here the common factors are this 2 2 and this 2 2. So, 2 2s are 4. So, we have to divide this with 4. Then 4 2s are 8. So, minus 2, 4 3s are 12. So, you can see we get the same answer over here. So, these are equivalent fractions. Moving forward to the example number 11, which is comparison of the rational numbers. Let us see that. Comparison of rational number, that is 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. Okay, students, 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. So, we know that we have to what do? If A upon B and C upon D is given, then we have to multiply A into D and B into C or C into B. Okay, so let us do that. Here the value of A is 4, into D is 2, here dash, and BC, that is B is 5 and C is 1. So 4 2s are 8, 5 1s are 5, and this one is greater. So 4 by 5 is greater than 1 by 2. Okay, students, this is our answer. Please note down this. And moving towards example number 12. So, example number 12. That is minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. Let us see that from this which is greater. Then we have to multiply by this, taking this over here. So AD, A is minus 3 and D is 2. 2 minus 3 into 2, here dash and B, C. So 4 into minus 1. 3 2s are 6, minus 6 upon minus 4. So this one is greater. Okay students, this one is greater. Now moving forward, then we are now just seeing the orders of rational number. So we know that the whole numbers and the integers, we just put it in an ascending order or in the descending order. In that way we have to put all the rational numbers in an ascending or descending order. Then let us see how we will put that. For that, they have given an example number 30. They have given an example number 13. Let us do that. So, example number 13, that is 3 by 8, 4 by 12, minus 7 by 16, minus 2 by 3. So first of all we have to take the LCM of 8, 12, 16 and 3. So let us take it. Here I am just taking the LCM, that is 8, 12, 16, 3. So first of all we will start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 3 as it is. 2 3 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 1 over here, and at last it will be 3. So 3 1s are 3. So the LCM, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, how many? 4 times 2 and 1 times 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. 48 is our LCM. So now putting that, so 3 by 8. So 8 into how much? That is 48. 8 5s are 48, 6 are 48. So multiplying both side with 6, and now 4 12. So 12 how many is are 48? 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are. So here also 4. Now minus 17 upon 16. So 16 how many is are 48? 16 3s are minus 2 upon 3. So 3 how many is are 48? Then if I divide this, 3 1s are 3, 1 remaining, 3 6s are 80. So multiplying this with 16 and this with also 16. Okay students, now 6 3s are 18 upon 48, 4 4s are 16 upon 48, minus 7 into 3, that is 7 3s are 21, minus 21 upon 48, 16 2s are 32, minus 32 upon 48. Now if we want to just keep this all in the ascending order, then how we will do? First of all, this is the smallest, that is minus 32 upon 48. Then after this is the smallest, that is minus 21 upon 48, and from this one is the smallest, that is 16 upon 48. and at last that is 18 upon 48. Okay students, so this is our answer. This is our answer. Okay students, please note down this. Now, our next topic is rational number between two rational numbers. Take any two rational numbers, say minus 1 by 2 and minus 2 by 7. Okay students, so here convert them to equivalent rational number with the same denominator. So for that we have to take the LCM like this. For converting, these are the different denominators. So for converting into the same denominator, what we have to take? We have to take the LCM. Okay students. Now here they have taken the LCM of 2 and 7. Then they have given answer is 14. The given numbers can be rewrite as, we have to multiply this with 14. So here we know that minus 7 by 14 is lesser than minus 4 by 14. Also minus 7 by 14 is less than minus 6 by 14 is less than minus 5 by 14 is less than minus 4 by 14. So we have found two rational numbers, minus 16 by 14 and minus 5 by 14, lying between minus 1 by 2 and minus 2 by 7. Okay students, and further if you want to find more than two rational numbers between minus, then we can convert the denominator into any multiple of its LCM. Say 48, we get 28. So again we have to multiply this with 14. Okay, and yes, we will get the answer, and in that way we can find another decimals. Okay, and see here we are just directly going towards the example, that is find example number 14. Find three rational number between minus 3 and minus 4. Let us find that. So example number 14. Example number 14, we have to find three rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 4. So we have to find the rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 4. So how we will find this? So for that we have to make the denominator same first of all. So minus 3 upon 1 is equal to minus 3 upon 1 into 4 into 4. Yes, I can do that. Yes, I can do. 4 3s are 12, but which minus 4 1s are 4. Now doing this for minus 4. So minus 4 by 1 is equal to minus 4 into 4 upon 1 into 4. So you can know that this is 4 4s are 16 by, okay students. So here we get we have to find three rational numbers between these two. So I can write this minus 13 upon 4 minus 14 upon 4 minus 15 upon 4. These are the three rational numbers between these two, means 3 and 4. Okay students, here we have just multiplied both with 4 only. We can also just multiply with 5. Okay students, now minus 12, 14, after this 13, 14 and 15, then 16. So these are the three rational numbers from between minus 3 and 4. Okay students, if you want to write them, you can write this. Now, this is the A, B that you have to do in your homework. Okay students, and moving forward, here our another topic is absolute value of a rational number. So what is absolute value first of all students? Here the absolute value of a rational number is the quantitative value of that number. The absolute value of a rational number a by b is represented using symbol a by b. The absolute value of 3 by 4 is the distance of the number from 0, which is 3 by 4. The absolute value of minus 3 by 4 is also the quantitative distance of minus 3 by 4 from 0, which is minus 3 by 4. The direction is not considered when the determination of absolute value. The absolute value of minus 3 by 4 is written as minus 3 by 4 absolute value is equal to minus 3 by 4, and of 3 by 4 as 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay students, see here in example number 15 it is given you have to find the absolute value of example number 15, you have to find the absolute value of minus 2 by 3. Then you have to do nothing, you have to just put a mod over here and is equal to 2 by 3 is your answer. Okay students, please note down then if you want, and this is very easy. And now we are just moving to the exercise 4b. Okay, from that I will solve one sum from all the questions. Okay, I think question 1 I have given you in homework. I don't know, but I am just doing it. Question 1, exercise 4b. Question number 1, from that I will just do is B, that is minus 88 by 100. And from question number 2, which of the following are in the simplest form? Which of the following are in the simplest form? So from that also I will do D, that is 70 by 98. Okay, then question number 3, question number 3. From that, are the following equivalent rational number? If yes, then find their standard form. So from that I will do C. 63 upon 154 and 110 upon 45. So let us do that. So from the question 4, exercise 4b, question 1. In question number 1, what we have to do? We have to find the lowest or simplest form of it. So what we will do is we will cut by one by one. We will cut. See here, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 25 are. So you can see the simplest form, 22 minus 22 upon 25 is the smallest form or the simplest form of it. Okay students, in question number 2, which of the following are in the simplest form? See here, we can cut each other. Yes, then it is not in its simplest form. So here I am just writing it again, 70 by 90. This both can cut it by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Then again, if it is cutted by 3 or not, then 5 plus 3 8 and 4 plus 9, that is 13. So I don't think so it will be cutted again. So the simplest form is 35 by 49. Okay, so this is not in the simplest form. Its simplest form is 35 by 49. Okay students, please do it. Now, question 3, that is, are the following equivalent rational numbers? If yes, find their standard form. Here, what we have to do? We have to find is they are in the standard form or not. So what we will do? We will just cut it. First of all, in the method we have seen that you have to take the, here it is 4. Okay, in that you have to take the LCM and then after HCF, and then after you have to divide with that. But I don't think so it can be divided. Why? Because 5 plus 5 it will be 10. It is not divisible by 3. And here 6 plus 3, that is 9, that is divisible by 3. And this one 110 by 45. So this can be divided with 5. 5 9s are 45 and 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. 22 by 9. In 22 table I don't think so it will be 63 came, and in 9 table 154. Okay, so I don't think so these are the equivalent rational numbers. So here they are not, it is not equivalent rational number. Okay students, this is not equivalent or it is not equivalent rational number. Please note down this, and your today's homework is exercise 4b, remaining sums of question 1, 2 and 3, and also just try to do question number 4. Okay, I think it is easy question that you can do it easily, so just try to do the question number 4. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.